The southwest region of the United States has some of the most epic landscapes in the entire world. In this video, I'm going to show you how all you need is a car, your best friends, and 5 days to create a phenomenal adventure in the Southwest that you will never forget.
Good morning, everybody. Today we're on our way to
The trip starts at the Grand Canyon, the masterpiece of the Colorado River. Carved by hundreds of millions of years of erosion.
Okay. Guys, we've made it to the Grand Canyon, one of the most spectacular places in the entire world.
And visited by millions every single year. But we need to get away, so we escape down a hidden trail to our own private lookout, away from everybody else and so much closer to the canyon.
This is one of my favorite points, because you can look out and see everything.
Following the Colorado River north, we end up at Lake Powell, one of the best recreation areas in the entire United States.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got a boat!
I'm coming to you. How does it feel?
Great! Oh my God.
Within Lake Powell, you can camp anywhere along the lakeshore, so we loaded our boat down with tents, sleeping bags, food, firewood, and found ourselves a cove to set up camp.
We just got to the beach. We're gonna camp for the night. This is what we're looking at. This is unbelievable. We're just in the middle of nowhere on Lake Powell.
What this film doesn't show is the hours of laughing and screaming we had by the campfire, reveling in the feeling of isolation, jumping in the lake, and being totally in awe of the stars. The next day, explore the lake. Jump off some rocks. Find a tube. Flip the tube. Surf the tube. Explore the lake even more. The Southwest is incredible because within the region there are deserts and mountains. So naturally, next we're heading for the mountains. Wake up in Telluride, Colorado, a small mountain town in southwest Colorado full of charm and adventure. Go for a hike, see this waterfall. Go for another hike and see this mystical canyon. Ride the free gondola up to the top of the mountain and take in the view, 360 degrees of magic. As you work your way northeast, take the back roads and revel in the beauty of backcountry Colorado. Eventually end up at Rocky Mountain National Park, a gem in the heart of Colorado. Most importantly though, end up at Trail Ridge Road, one of the highest in the nation. As the road winds up the Rockies, you'll reach the tree line, you'll find glaciers, you'll find wildlife, and you'll find a sense of astonishment. Spend the morning in Denver and take in a brunch, before heading south to Garden of the Gods, a rogue section of red rock rising from the nearby city of Colorado Springs.
The feature event of today's vlog. We're going to the Colorado Sand Dunes, Great Sand Dunes National Park. It's gonna be amazing. It's like 3 hours from here. We're gonna go and hike to the top, but first, we're gonna eat this rustic Italian pizza that we got. Look at this, guys. Oh my God.
Finally, end your tour at the Great Sand Dunes National Park, one of the most surreal places in the United States. Sitting at a base elevation of 8,000 feet, these high-altitude dunes in this southern Colorado Valley rise almost 1,000 feet from the valley floor. Assuming it's not too windy, in our case, it was too windy. Make your way to the top to experience one of the best sunsets of your life. On your way back home, make sure to stop at the UFO Watchtower. After all, this valley is one of the most active places in the world for out-of-this-world activity. The perfect way to wrap up a totally out-of-this-world trip. The Southwest.